Hi friends, my name is Olivia and you're watching my YouTube channel. So here I create a channel to share with you my best experience around binary options, and today I pick up very nice topic. This topic is about technical analysis. I want to tell you more, and of course I want to show you how to use technical analysis rules on the practice. So friends, watch this video till the end and don't forget that you can go to the link description under this video and become a part of my beautiful community which I created my Telegram channel. There you can get a free signals and lots of support from me and from successful people around. Friends, make yourself comfortable for today. Let's begin. So let's quickly set up indicators. Let's go to this panel. I want to open the list of indicators and to see the signals. Okay, according to the technical analysis, we have to set up indicators. And the first tool that I will use here is zigzag indicator. Simple tool that will just show me the direction of trend, and I want to combine this tool with other simple indicators. First of all, I'm interested in envelopes channel indicator because this tool always allows me to trade on downtrend and an uptrend, and you know, even in the period of correction. That's why I will make my duration a little bit bigger here. Let's see how it will be with 0.08 for duration. I think it's still a little bit thin, but what about other currency pairs? For other currencies it's even wider, so I will delete this second one. I think Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, because I want to adjust my envelopes channel according to the market conditions. Okay, instead I will use one more currency. Let's check euro and Australian dollar, because I need the currency pairs with which my Bollinger envelopes channel indicator will be of the right size. Yes, that's how technical analysis works. You can't trade with each currency pairs. Yes, I think this one will be the best. Yes, that's how I'm selecting the currency pairs. It's a very important rules, and yes, 3 currency pairs are selected. Duration for 0.08 is excellent. And let's continue choosing up some indicators. So what else I'm going to set up here? It will be, of course, volume oscillator, friends, because technical analysis is impossible without knowledge the volume. And yes, opposite with 100 is pretty enough, and I'm ready for my trading session. Yes, can you see just $12 on my account? Great, let's get down into the dealer. Like this downtrend, the price is constantly moving in down direction with its up and downs, and that's my chance to gain profit. Let me open my first trade, and after that I will tell you a lot about technical analysis. So $10, friends, in my investment. As you see, I'm trading on 1 minute candles, and I'm going to open a trade here for 1 minute. So here, friends, be ready for put option right now, and let's go. Wow, friends, great result. It was kind of risky, but anyway, I'm in a profit. Good start of my trading session. So yes, want to tell you a few words about technical analysis. Technical analysis believe past trading activity and price changes of security can be valuable indicators of the security future price movements. Friends, that's why such method as price action exists. Yes, and you can trade even without these indicators if you know price action technique. But as I'm going to tell you about technical analysis very fully, I want to use all of the tools, all of the indicators, and of course I will analyze the psychology of the market, the psychology of the movement of the price by myself. Yes, now let's go to the first currency pair, which is the Canadian dollar and the Swedish franc, and I want to apply my knowledge of technical analysis to this currency pair. It is a very interesting situation because this was the fall of the price, after which the price was trading between the supply and demand zone. But once the demand zone was broken, the price went in down direction. Okay, so pretty interesting. Oh, this is my past level level. Right now the price is moving in up direction again. We can see this flat line, which is also an interesting situation for me. That's why I want to overlock my deposit and trade here with $20. Fine. When the price is below this envelope channel border, be ready for put option right now. Let's do that. Well, great friends, as you see, the price broke the previous level and the price is going even further. So you see the previous green candle with this long wick. The bears were trying to push this price down, but anyway, in this period of time the bulls took over this market, but right now the bears are pushing the price lower and lower, and this is an amazing analysis of the market. Even zigzag has formed one more trend line of exactly this moment, and this was amazing, and I get my profit by this simple analysis, and that's all due to this rule, friends. Simple rules. And by the way, in my Telegram channel I have the list of the most important rules of technical analysis, friends, that you should know to be successful trader. And now I want to earn more money. Yes, let's go to the second currency pair, which is Australian dollar and Sweden franc. I have not traded here yet with this currency pair, but this is an amazing choice also, and price is moving in down direction. Here in general it is downtrend, but I want to see red candle, not green. We need to wait a couple of minutes to make a successful trade. One of the most important things in trading is that you need to be patient and enduring. And while we are waiting, I want to welcome you to my Telegram channel, friends, where you will find more interesting and the most important useful information for your own trading session. So here I think that's the time to enter the deal. Yes, we have to wait a couple of minutes until the situation is more clear. And yes, now when I get the confirmation when the price has gone down direction, now I can enter this deal one more time. And yes, here I'm ready to invest. I think all my wallet, why not? $37. I'm pretty confident with this strategy, especially after I get the confirmation with these red candles, friends. And I also see volume oscillator is red. Fine, but right now the candles is ready to this border. That's signal for me, so be ready for put option right now. Well, great, again I'm in a profit here because I just waited until the price went in down direction, until the price reached this point, which is the lower band of a long channel indicator. And that's exactly was amazing signal that the price could go in up direction next time. That's why it's so important to wait until the confirmation, friends. And only in that way your strategy will be low risk, and that's how you can decrease all your risks and stay in a profit. I already earned $70, by the way, and I couldn't stop here. I want to go to the third currency pair, which is a Sweden franc and Japanese money, and add here to the rules of technical analysis, and the rules are telling me now that it's not the best situation, okay, to trade on 1 minute time frame, especially because I can see these long wicks and it's hard to predict the movement of the price because the price is trading exactly at the middle line of envelopes. Okay, that's too risky for me, no. That's why let's check the first currency pair, Canadian dollar and Sweden franc. As you see, I'm showing you in live how to apply the rules of technical analysis on the market. You know that there are lots of traders that are telling you theory, but I'm telling you how to apply this knowledge on practice, friends. That's amazing, right? You're interested in theory? Again, go to my Telegram channel and get the list of the perfect rules. But right now I want to show you how to apply these rules and practice. When this price is at the higher band of envelopes channel. Remember, it's perfect gold rule that is working in 100% cases. Friends, I will show you this by increasing my investment till $68, and yes, when you see the price has reached this area, considering all the situations, look carefully which decision I will take right now here. Be ready for call option right now. Let's go. Amazing, friends, amazing result. Yes, this was so predictable. When you see this confident trend, the price is going in our direction. Even there about these envelopes channel indicators, you have still time to join this trend because look carefully. That's how technical analysis works. Can you see this peak of zigzag trend indicator? When the candle can't go higher than this resistance level, right? And according to this level, I understood that the price has also some space to grow up. And that's why in such confident way, I just joined this direction, and I was right. I was right, yes. Very soon, as you can notice, the price is going a little bit lower, and that's also was very predictable because the envelopes channel gives us these signals. When the candles are outside this corridor, they will definitely go inside. That's how it works. And I think that was a good example of technical analysis, friends. And now I want to check again the second currency pair, Australian dollar and Swedish franc. I know that there is no so much changes in the third currency pair. That's why I'm trading with the second one. This one is definitely better. I see this bunch of candles over there and over there, and exactly that's my time to gain profit because all the situations are constantly repeating on the chart. And that's my time to trade with $120. Yes, almost all my wallet, because price action always repeats its history, and that's my chance. So here, be ready for put option right now, and let's do that. Wow, great result, friends. Again, I'm on a profit. That's so cool. That's so predictable, and I'm really happy. This downtrend tendency of the price again up to this support level. We still have some area for the price to go lower, and this was so predictable, yes, and amazing. Here, let's go to my first currency pair, Canadian dollar and Swedish franc. What are we having there with this first currency pair? The situation is also amazing, so I think we can still be in a profit with 3-2 candles. I think I will keep trading here, and this time already the price went in corridor of envelopes channel, as I previously said, but now we have one more interesting situation when this candle at the lower band of envelope still interesting. So here I will put $230. Pretty great and amazing, and I see that this green candle is growing, so here be ready for put option right now. Let's do that. A great result, friends. As you see, the price has fallen. That was again predictable because I can notice this green candle that was growing pretty rapidly, and of course it has stopped a little bit around this middle line of envelopes channel, and after that the price went lower. Wow, that was predictable again. So that's how you can trade with these simple rules of technical analysis, friends. Always adhere to them and you will stay in a profit, believe me. As you see, all my trades are winning. I have no lost trades, and that's very great. I want to continue, keep going and keep earning money. That's why let's check the third currency pair, which is a Swedish franc and Japanese money. Maybe right now the situation is a little bit different because, as you remember, yes, it was some long weeks and some and certainly inside of this corridor. But right now the situation has changed, and I like this. I think we can trade here with let it be $420. Yes, whole wallet, as you see. Perfect signal. Yeah, the candles are about a certain channel indicator, and this red candle has already formed. So yes, here be ready for put option right now. Let's do that. Again, friends, that was very predictable because the price went in down direction inside of this corridor of envelopes channel indicator. And yes, that's the rule, friends. That's how the strategy is working out. As you see, 800s of bags. Yes, in my account, that's I can't stop here. I want to earn money, of course, because I know the rules of technical analysis. That's why I can do this profit. So let's go to my first currency, Canadian dollar and Switzerland franc. If you are still interested in the theory, again I remind you that you can download the list of the most important rules of technical analysis in my Telegram channel, friends. And by the way, if you are not interested in theory only, I can recommend you to go there to my Telegram channel for one more reason, because there I post free signals for you, right, for your own profitable trades, and you can trade with my signals, and on practice you will gain your profit. Yes, friends, you will gain real money on live account with my live signals, believe me. One more interesting situation, as I see this flat line over there, I will tell you that not the best situation to trade. So let's check again the second currency. Now Australian dollar and Switzerland franc. Yes, that's how I'm working when I select in the best situation. I can't trade where the situation is bad when it's a flat line. I'm trading only with the best situation, and that's a unique one. One more time, no, one more time, $800 will be too much. No. Let it be $780. Okay, this sum will also give me cool profit. My payout will be around this sum, and here be ready for call option right now. Let's go, friends. Well, friends, great result, and as you see, the price has also space to grow up, right? And that's why we are in a profit. I just joined the trend. Wow, I'm happy, even despite the fact that the price has already reached the area about the envelopes channel, and the price was outside of the corridor. But you have to keep in mind that your envelopes channel can be even wider if you set up your division a little bit bigger. In the beginning of the trading session, we saw such a moment. For example, if we choose one more envelopes channel indicator, with the duration for a little bit bigger number, for example, for division like this, or even for a division like 0.21, we can see that the candles are still in the area of envelopes channel corridor, and only when the price reached this area, the price went in down direction. So that's also important to keep in mind. Friends, if you possess this all huge amount of knowledge about technical analysis, you will know this and you will understand this. But if you're a beginner, maybe it will be really useful for you to trade just with my signals. They're already made, and have just to open your trades and to get your profit. That's so easy, right? Well, I will close this indicator panel. I will also close this envelopes channel with this duration for 0.21. I don't need this anymore. It was just to explain you Okay, friends, now we can go to my first currency pair, Canadian dollar and Sweden franc. What we are having here, I already have thousands of dollars in my account. By the way, I can invest them all, and I think of this money, I will get the maximum profit. Yes, my payout will be really tasty. So here, be ready for call option right now, and let's get it. Well, friends, great profit. It was really predictable. One more time, the price was very far from this border of envelopes channel indicator, but the trend wasn't downtrend for sure. That's why it was a unique situation, unique opportunity for me to make here a call option and to gain my profit really easily. I think I'm ready for one more trade, for one more huge trade, friends. Yes, let it be my second currency pair, Australian dollar and Sweden franc. Yes, I want to make a really cool profit with this strategy. Let me think, maybe there are some bad situations. Yeah, for example, the third one, maybe Sweden franc and Japanese money. Maybe this one will be more profitable trades here, and I think yes, this one is this station is better to invest $2,000, and here be ready for put option right now, friends. Risky, but great one, great again. Yes, being a professional trader, I have to set up my own limits even for profitable trades, friends. I think that's enough because I want to succumb to this feeling of excitement, and that's why I will consider the profit of $4,000 is enough for me today. My dear friends, I'm really happy with my result today, and I'm sure now you know how to use technical analysis rules for your own profitable session. And if you want to know more theory, please go to my Telegram channel and find it there. You can get free signals, you can get any useful information you're looking for, and of course you can find my support and text me directly. So friends, also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because next video will be very interesting. I'll see you very soon, and bye bye.